Early on a Tuesday morning, clouds have overspread the area, but not nearly as cold as it was yesterday morning at this time. Readings are going to climb into the 40s today. We've got some rain coming in, but I think we'll get through at least lunchtime, maybe even part of the afternoon before the rain overspreads the area. You can see it off to our west, but it is moving east. There's a cold front as well. Out ahead of that front, we are likely to experience a period of strong and gusty wind. Late tonight in the hours after midnight, there may be some scattered power outages. It doesn't look to be widespread, but nevertheless, some of the strongest winds focused along the mid-coast, the islands and peninsulas, could see wind gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. So that may lead to, again, some scattered power outages late tonight. There's the rain. First thing tomorrow morning, the rain comes to an end. The clouds will break up. We'll actually brighten things up during the afternoon with some partial sunshine returning. 8-day forecast looks as though the rain, that'll be it, because we're going to get cold enough it changes to snow. A chance for snow on Saturday or Saturday night, maybe Sunday. I'm still a little unsure about the timing of that. Something to watch. Right now it doesn't look to be a big deal, but in this type of weather pattern, little threats could become bigger threats in a very short period of time. So check back for updates. Have a great day.